Before we go into the reactions that occur in photosynthesis, we kind of have to go over some of the key points of photosynthesis and what actually makes this particular reaction occur. If you recall, photosynthesis involves the use of light energy, particularly the sun, to convert water and carbon dioxide into oxygen and high energy carbohydrates. And those carbohydrates would be sugars, particularly glucose, and starch. So the two key players in photosynthesis are going to be sunlight and plants. Now, we've seen the equation for photosynthesis before. Carbon dioxide plus water. Light is the energy source that makes this reaction occur. And the products of this reaction are sugar and oxygen. Below on the diagram gives you a drawing of how this particular process works. So, what is it that is contained in plants that causes this particular reaction to occur? So, in addition to water, carbon dioxide, and light energy, photosynthesis requires what are called pigments. Chlorophyll is the primary light-absorbing pigment in an autotroph. Chlorophyll is found inside of chloroplasts. And if you remember from your study of the cell, animal cells do not contain chloroplasts, which means that we are not green. Plant cells are the only ones that contain chloroplasts. Hopefully in physical science you learned about light and the different pigments that are contained in light. So energy comes from the sun, enters the Earth's biosphere in the form of what are called photons. A photon is a light energy unit, and light comes in different wavelengths of color. Different wavelengths have different colors. And if you remember the colors of the rainbow, the acronym is Roy G. Biv. It is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then violet. Different pigments absorb different wavelengths of light. Photons of light excite electrons in the plant's pigments, and these excited electrons carry the absorbed energy. Excited electrons move to higher energy levels. So it's the pigments that are inside of the plants that are causing these chemical reactions to occur. The chemical reaction would be the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. There are two main types of chlorophyll molecules. There's chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. A third type, chlorophyll C, is found in dinoflagellates. And dinoflagellates would be the euglena that I showed you in section 8-1 notes. Those are animal-like protists that contain chlorophyll. Now in section 8-3, we're going to now further look at the process of photosynthesis.